Unwind and stretch your way to better sleep with this bedtime all-stretching exercise routine. Relax your muscles, release tension, and improve flexibility as you wind down for the night. Incorporate this soothing routine into your bedtime ritual for a restful night's sleep.
Up next, arm stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, arm stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, knee stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, knee stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, side bend stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, side bend stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, thigh stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, thigh stretch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Rest time. Up next, cat and cow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Rest time. Up next, baby pose. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Rest time. Up next, body rotations. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Rest time. Up next, shoulder circles. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Rest time. Up next, side bends. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have successfully completed all the exercises. Good job! Please share this video workout with people you think should do this workout too.